Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vanina and today I am going to share with you guys our evening nighttime routine. This was a suggestion by my husband, someone that never watches this kind of videos. I was really surprised when he said that to me, and I thought that was a good idea. Right now I am in the kitchen. I want to make dinner. I already have a few stuffs that I made, and I just want to make vegetables because I like to make vegetables when it's actually time to eat, and some fruit salad that we are going to have later. So guys, today I am cooking Chinese food, and I want to start with my favorite, which is called茄子. It's my favorite at the moment, and afterwards we'll cook the炒蛋. My first time of trying this. And how do I learn how to cook Chinese food? I just go on YouTube and I type the name in English, and I try to follow the tutorials and come out with something actually yummy. And besides that, my husband is my teacher. He cooks Chinese food better than me. If you would like to try these recipes, I'm going to link the names in English in the description box so you can go and check them out. One thing about Chinese is they love rice and eggs. Ever since I moved here, I cannot spend a day without eating something with egg. It could be in a soup, it could be as an omelette, or it could be in vegetables. It's like you can add eggs in almost everything. Before I forget to mention, the culture here is to eat dinner at 6 p.m. In China, we have specific hours when you cannot disturb people. That is 12 o'clock and 6 p.m. And this thing is a tip. If you want to lose weight, you should always try to eat at exactly 6 p.m. And once you're done, you can go for a walk to digest the food you have eaten before going to bed. That's the reason why you see most Asians are very skinny. So here I'm just quickly doing some fruits for ourselves, mainly banana, tangerine, and an apple. Since you guys know our situation right now in Shanghai, I usually just use like 4 or 3 pieces of fruits, different fruits, and just chop them in small pieces so we can share. Yesterday, I made some Chinese fried rice, so we're going to have it today with the vegetables I just made and some leftover sauce and fish.
像从前的海那么的宽，像我们的爱仿佛穿越千亿光年，在岁月里变成尘埃。你手心的暖，温柔依然，你唇边的笑我还惦念，而我们的爱在时间的河里沉眠，等待被唤醒的那天。想忘记你的脸，模糊相爱的画面，以为这样就不会再被心痛纠缠。我躲在你背面，故意错过的地点，却突然记得一起做过的咖啡。
Baby, it's so good. Baby, tu sais que parfois tu me rappelles les habits que je ne savais pas que j'ai. Comme l'habitude que si je mange quelque chose, je laisse petit. Après, je prends et pas les garde. Yeah.
So guys, I just finished cleaning the kitchen, so I like to make sure that everything is nice, is well set and clean. While I was cleaning the kitchen, I was thinking about something, how it's crazy how I got used to the life in China. Like on a weekly basis, we tend to eat a lot of Chinese food. Like monthly, we eat more Chinese foods more than we eat our home country's dishes. We hardly cook food from our home, like once in a while. Even in the little things we do home, we just do things like Chinese, like at 6 o'clock we need to start eating dinner, and once we finish eating dinner we need to go downstairs for a walk, like to digest, something like that. Anyways, enough of talking. So right now I want to bring out the laundry and dry it. I washed some things. They are mostly things of the living room. I want to dry them, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And I need to quickly finish uploading my video for tonight, and I usually like to put my videos up at 9 p.m. China time. Please guys, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Okay, this was a suggestion by Babe. He said I should show you guys our evening routine. Hopefully I'm also going to share our morning routine. I'm going to try to do a little bit of these kind of vlogs if I have a lot of thumbs up in this one. Anyways, let's go and dry the clothes. Actually think kids are done having dinner with their families, and the parents usually send them downstairs to go and spend out all their energy and they can stay downstairs playing up till 12 noon. I want to show you guys the view at night. These are my flowers. I made them by myself for the kitchen. Anyways, let me show you guys the view at night. It is amazing. It's breathtaking. Let me show you guys. Things don't go my window. And I can see it all. We have a lake here. I really miss riding the bicycle over here. Look how the road is so dry, no nobody is outside. So I am done with the kitchen. So now I'm going to finish editing my video before 9 o'clock. I'm really trying to be consistent. Guys, help me to be consistent. Like this video, subscribe, share, okay? I'm done arguing with you guys. So I'm going to edit this video in the bedroom. So guys, I just finished uploading my video and it's about time I change myself to go for my evening walk with my husband, but he's still watching his movie, so I doubt he's ready to go now. But right now it's already like 9:39, so I want to sleep a little bit early because I need to work on my business stuff either now or tomorrow in the morning, because I put my business today on suspense. I had so much to do today. Anyways, I'm going to go and change myself to go for our evening walk. I'm wearing my husband's sweater. Went straight to the shower. I was tired. Today's record was 6 kilometers. I'm trying to build like strong muscles. I think my body is perfect. I have a very chubby face, but when you see me in person, I'm very petite. But apart from that, this is what my night routine as a wife looks like: cooking, cleaning, and also taking part in my personal stuff like YouTube, business, whatever I'm doing. But it doesn't change the fact that I need to keep the balance between everything because I am a woman. Sometimes my husband helps. He's very helpful. He's the best partner ever. So right now I'm just going to go to bed. I have already showered, brushed my teeth, and now I'm just going to go to bed and work from bed because I need to finish some business stuffs of mine today. I have some things that are very important I need to do tonight, and once I'm done, we're just going to meditate because we usually wait till noon so we can have the new Bible verse of the day, and we meditate and we talk on that and we pray on that. So I'm just going to do that and leave you guys here. Based on the response that I get from this video, maybe I'll keep doing more vlogs like this, home vlogs like this. And let me know if you have any video requests. Let me know in the comment section. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye.